Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
Why do invoices never panic? Because they know someone, somewhere, still owes them money. Now let's jump straight into pricing and start with Invoicera. Invoicera uses a tiered monthly pricing model designed for businesses that expect growth or already manage multiple clients and staff. The starter plan costs $19 per organization per month when billed monthly. This plan allows you to send unlimited invoices to up to 100 clients, add one staff member, send unlimited estimates, and create unlimited recurring invoices. It also includes discounted business setup support. Next is the business plan, priced at $49 per organization per month. This tier increases capacity significantly, allowing unlimited invoices for up to 1,000 clients and up to 10 staff members. It also unlocks API access, making it suitable for businesses that need integrations or custom workflows. The enterprise plan costs $99 per organization per month and supports up to 2,000 clients and 20 staff members, along with batch PDF, export, and more powerful automation features. At the top is the Infinite plan at $149 per organization per month. This removes client limits entirely, allows unlimited staff members, and includes custom integration and development support. Across most plans, Invoicera also offers add-ons such as $9 per additional team member per month and $10 per extra 100 clients per month. Overall, Invoicera's pricing clearly targets growing agencies, consultancies, and service businesses rather than solo users. Now let's compare that with ZipBooks' pricing structure, which takes a much more beginner-friendly approach. ZipBooks offers a free starter plan that allows unlimited invoices, unlimited vendors and customers, digital payments through Square or PayPal, basic reports, and connection to one bank account. This makes it very accessible for freelancers and small businesses just getting started. ZipBooks' Smarter plan costs $15 per month. This plan includes everything in Starter plus recurring invoices with auto billing, automated reminders, saved invoice line items, multiple bank connections, account notifications, time tracking, and up to 5 team members. The sophisticated plan costs $35 per month and adds smart tagging by project or location, faster reconciliation, locked books, secure document sharing, advanced reporting, and unlimited users. ZipBooks also offers an accountant plan designed for firms managing multiple clients with additional controls and branding tools. Now shifting back to Invoicera's features, this platform is built for complex billing environments. Invoicera supports advanced invoice customization, recurring billing, multi-currency invoicing, and region-specific tax handling. Built-in time tracking and expense tracking connect directly to invoices, which is ideal for agencies billing by the hour or by project. Invoicera also includes client portals where customers can view invoices, make payments, and track billing history. Approval workflows allow teams to control who can create, edit, or send invoices. Reporting tools provide insights into revenue, outstanding payments, and profitability by client or project. Integrations with CRMs, accounting platforms, and payment gateways make Invoicera suitable for businesses with established systems. When it comes to pros and cons, Invoicera's biggest strength is flexibility and scalability. It's powerful, customizable, and built for growth. However, that power comes with complexity. New users may find the interface overwhelming, and smaller businesses may pay for features they don't fully use. Costs can also increase quickly as teams and client lists grow. Now let's spend more time on ZipBooks and really understand what it offers beyond just the price tag. ZipBooks is built with simplicity at its core, and that's immediately obvious when you open the platform. Everything feels lightweight, modern, and unintimidating, which is exactly what many freelancers and small business owners want. Instead of throwing complex accounting terms at you, ZipBooks focuses on helping you get invoices out, track money coming in and out, and understand your financial position without stress. At the most basic level, ZipBooks allows you to send unlimited invoices, manage unlimited customers and vendors, and accept digital payments through platforms like Square or PayPal. Even on the free starter plan, you get access to basic financial reports and the ability to connect to one bank account, which is more than enough for many early-stage businesses. Invoicing is fast and clean, with templates that look professional without requiring customization skills. As you move into the smarter plan at $15 per month, ZipBooks begins to introduce automation. Recurring invoices with auto billing help stabilize cash flow, while automated reminders reduce the awkwardness of chasing late payments. You can save invoice line items, connect multiple bank accounts, receive account notifications, and track time directly inside the platform. The ability to add up to 5 team members also makes this plan practical for small teams rather than just solo users. The sophisticated plan at $35 per month adds deeper accounting structure without becoming overwhelming. Smart tagging lets you organize transactions by project, location, or customer, which is extremely helpful for understanding where money is really being made. Faster reconciliation tools reduce bookkeeping time, while locked books prevent accidental changes. Secure document sharing and more insightful reports make this plan suitable for businesses that want cleaner records and better financial visibility. ZipBooks also offers an accountant plan for firms managing multiple clients. This plan includes features like exporting financial packages, bulk editing transactions, migrating existing accounting data, managing clients from one dashboard, and co-branding client accounts. This makes ZipBooks appealing not just to business owners, but also to accountants who want a simple client-facing tool. When it comes to pros and cons, ZipBooks' biggest strength is ease of use. The platform feels approachable and friendly, even for users with no accounting background. The free plan is genuinely usable, and paid plans remain affordable as features increase. The design is clean, performance is smooth, and setup is quick. However, ZipBooks does have limits. It's not built for complex billing workflows, large agencies, or businesses that need advanced approval processes. Customization options are limited compared to platforms like Invoicera, and integrations are fewer. Reporting, while helpful, may feel basic for businesses that require deep financial analysis. Customer support is generally reliable, but as with many smaller platforms, it may not match the depth or speed of enterprise software support. For most freelancers and small businesses, though, this trade-off is acceptable given the price. Looking at ratings, both Invoicera and ZipBooks perform well on platforms like Capterra. Invoicera is commonly praised for power, automation, and scalability, while ZipBooks consistently earns positive feedback for simplicity, design, and value for money. Ratings can change over time, and some data may not always be officially published, so it's always a good idea to check the latest reviews directly on Capterra. Now for the final takeaway. If your business needs advanced invoicing, deep automation, and room to scale with complexity, Invoicera is the stronger long-term solution. If your priority is simplicity, affordability, and getting paid faster without accounting headaches, ZipBooks is an excellent choice. Click the link below to access the software, explore the features firsthand, and choose the platform that best fits your workflow, budget, and growth plans.